What is up, everybody? I wanted to show you where we're currently staying right now here in Phoenix, Arizona, which I like to consider my second home. This is an amazing, nice little small villa worth about 3 mil. But guys, you definitely I just want to show y'all where we're staying at right now. So we do have the lamp. This view alone is like worth $1 million, right? But let's go. All right, so when you first walk in, you kind of have really just this small little hallway area here. And then coming on this side here, when you get some lights, I really like this a lot because it's kind of like the second bedroom. It's a smaller bedroom, but you do have everything in here as far as just what you need. You know, I think this is a queen size bed, if I'm not mistaken. We got the lamps here, we got a mirror here, and then also there is a TV as well here. Nothing too crazy, but you got what you need. You know, this is a pretty nice looking villa room, I guess you can say. And let's go ahead and move on to the next area. Buzz can get in here, so we gotta close this. Alright, so here is his bathroom. This is a really nice bathroom. I like this bathroom a lot just because it's just aesthetically pleasing. There's nothing fancy about this bathroom at all. It's just a regular bathroom, so I'm not going to show y'all too much there. But if you also see here, this is like a little section here. I'm not too sure exactly what is going on here, but we do have a coffee machine for those who like coffee. That's pretty cool. You definitely have a little area for that. And of course, you got this amazing view. Can't get mad at that. You know, nothing gets better than an amazing view when you're all the way in the top of the mountains and things like that. And then here's probably a lot of people's favorite part, which is the kitchen. This is a huge kitchen, open kitchen at that. I personally love this kitchen a lot. Will I cook here every day? Absolutely. Absolutely. I like the flatbed stove top. I think that's really what they call it, but I do love the stove top. I think that's right there amazing. We also have an amazing like structure of kind of like, just if you look at this, it's kind of like a little microwave here. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy, but it does what it needs to do. My other thing that I just realized is we have the stove top, but I don't think we have the actual oven. So that's probably the only downfall, right? But other than that, that's pretty much that. Here is the refrigerator. You know, nothing crazy. I just want to show y'all what the refrigerator looks like. I love the hiding and shit like that in the refrigerator. I think that's always cool. And then this is the view. This is the $1 million view here. So living room, dining room area, laptop. This is where I do all of my trading at. And then obviously you got this section of the view. We got pretty much this section over here too of the view. Like I don't know if y'all can even see, but there's like this big ass house all the way on top of that hill. It's just being on top of hills just pleases me a lot, and shit like that is what makes me want to move to literally Phoenix. And I gotta have a hilltop view, you know, like a villa like this. Paradise, what is it? Paradise Valley. You know, I gotta find something over there. Here's the living room. Really cool TV. I like this actually here. There's like, I know it's like a little Nissan tip that you can, I guess, light up. I'm not entirely sure, but I haven't done anything with it yet. But you can light it up potentially, and I guess it will just show the lights and shit. During the nighttime, this looks really nice because all of the lights outside, actually they're already on, but all of these lights will show throughout this whole entire villa home, and that's what makes this 20 times better. Now here you also have another bedroom. This right here is just another bedroom. This is kind of where we'll sleep at and stuff like that. We got this a beautiful picture right there that I don't know what it is, but I actually do like it a lot. And then also we have big ass mirror. You can look right outside. Imagine you got your Lamborghini or you got your Ferrari or you got whatever and you looking right outside. I think that is the coolest like view ever that we can have. Other than that, we just got a regular closet, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. And then we also have another bathroom here. Nothing too crazy. It's actually, so this comes with this on remote. And we're gonna see something real quick. I hope it don't. I was scared to do this, but if you hit rear mode, I don't know what's gonna happen. Front mode, dry. It's got man and woman. So apparently, I don't know if I gotta sit in there and it will work. Stop to hold. Yeah, so we're not even gonna waste our time with that. But you can flush it, have flush. It's cool. I don't know why that's there, but it's cool. I like it. You know, and then if you look, it's got this little monkey with the light. I think that's cool. I like that a lot. It looks really cool with the little vintage light bulb that it has. And then you got the kitchen. Once again, looking outside the view, you got the glam right there. You just got a kitchen. Everything looks dope. You know, you got the mirrors. But the biggest thing that I like is this shower. Like, this is an amazing shower. Like, this shower, you can do 2 people in here. Obviously, it comes different ways. You have 4 different shower heads here on the wall, as well as 2 shower heads at the top. So I'm pretty sure you can get all of that because you also have that there too as well. So you get literally all water hitting you all different types of ways. Pause. Other than that, you have his and hers. That's basically what it looks like right now because that's really what it is. And then you got these lamps that I really like, but then also you got this view right here. So this view at nighttime looks beautiful, right? This is a really low-key area, so nobody really, obviously there's nothing here, but you know, I haven't seen any mountain lions or anything crazy coming from the top, which I hope I don't see any mountain lions at all. But yes, so this is where we're staying at right now. This is, like I said, Phoenix, Arizona. This is the villa house. And right now, I like it. It looks great. And one thing I just wanted to elaborate is this is what I do for a living, as just looking at nice shit, staying in nice shit, and doing nice things, because once again, I am a trader. So as a trader, I do have this freedom, and that's why I love trading. Financial freedom, time freedom. I can do what I want, when I want, and how I choose. And then being able to do stuff like this without breaking pockets, and knowing I can do this again next week or next month, is all possible thanks to trading. So subscribe. Thanks. Check everything out. Link in the descriptions. Y'all, peace.